Greetings from I Love New York, and here is a sunset look of Randalls and Wards Island. And we are right across from Roosevelt Island, which is the lighthouse right there, which would be 59th Street. Here is the East River Walkway, which leads you over to 103rd Street, 105th Street, where you can walk over the bridge to Randalls and Wards Island. And that is not your only bridge entry point. You can walk the entire Randalls and Wards Island and find yourself over by 125th Street, Harlem area. And here is the East River picnic area. I've never been to Randalls and Wards Island, so this has been on my to-do list for quite a long time. And so I really didn't know what there was to see here, or even what you could do here. And so I was happy to see that there is the East River picnic area. And they've got barbecues set up and benches with amazing views. And here is a sunset look. So you really don't have to bring much other than yourself. But how's this for a view? Not crowded at all. Can't get more waterfront than that. There is Astoria, Queens, if you're trying to figure out where the other side is located, and that is leading you over to Hellgate Bridge in Astoria Park. Blossoms. Now, there are some cherry blossoms that people come to visit in the springtime, as well as concerts in the summertime, and we can see some of the blooms are out now. I believe these might be our apple blossoms. Let's take a closer look, or pear. Spring is in the air. Really nice views for a walk, and as we see, there is the sunset. I'll walk a little bit more towards the East River and show you the footbridge. Now, the sign did say that it closes at midnight, so keep that in mind if you're walking around. I did see some cars parked over by the sports field, so I imagine you can also drive up, although I walked. I walked from Midtown today, and I am going to continue to walk over till I can cross the bridge by 125th Street to see more of Randalls and Wards Island. Yeah, there is the double name within that full name. Most people just call it Randalls Island. And that is the bridge that you would catch to walk over. Now, you do not have to walk along the East River the entire way to get there. At 96th Street, you can actually cross over, and that is 105th Street where the bridge is leading people off. And that is a May sunset from ever beautiful I Love New York. Till next time.